Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop TikTok notifications on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the TikTok application. Locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on menu at the top right. Locate and click on settings and privacy. Once you selected settings and privacy, you want to scroll down to where you see content and display and then click on notifications. Under notifications, you can now customize your notifications based on your preference. So if you want to turn off any of these notifications, just go ahead and then disable it like this. And if you want to also turn off in-app notifications, click on in-app notifications and then turn all of this off. At the same time, you can scroll down. If you want to turn off post suggestions, personalized post suggestions, and even live notifications like this, then you can go ahead and turn them off and then you're good. So that's exactly how to stop TikTok notifications on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.